OnePay is a mobile banking app gaining traction in 2025, known for its modern, mobile-first design tailored to personal finance management. It provides no-fee checking accounts, high-yield savings offering competitive interest rates, and handy budgeting features like customizable money pockets to organize spending and saving goals. The app also includes perks such as early access to paychecks, bill payment, cashback rewards, and mobile check deposits. It offers real-time spending tracking and FDIC insurance through its partner banks, ensuring the safety of your funds. However, OnePay lacks physical branch locations, which might be a disadvantage for those who prefer face-to-face service or need to deposit cash. Customer support has been reported as inconsistent, with some users facing delayed responses, account restrictions, and occasional technical problems like login or payment errors. Additionally, some users find balance tracking confusing due to combined summaries of checking and savings accounts. Despite these drawbacks, OnePay remains free with no monthly fees and is generally praised for its intuitive interface and useful features. In summary, OnePay is a strong option for users comfortable with fully digital banking who want attractive savings rates and effective budgeting tools, though potential limitations in customer service should be kept in mind.